Hey guys, this is Tom with S.O.S Performance. In today's video, we're going to talk about replacement parts for your TRD big brake kit. If you own one, you probably have been frustrated with the lack of availability of replacement parts, rotors, pads, stainless lines, and caliber rebuild kits. We've got great news. Here at S.O.S Performance, we're committed to stocking all replacement parts that are available for your TRD brake kit. Most parts are currently in stock. Check out our website at sosperformance.com and click on TRD Parts page. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text 850-814-1955.